think we have Mr. Nirmal Jain with us. All right. Okay. Hi, Nirmal. Good morning to you. Can you take us through the details of this deal? What is Fairfax bringing to the table? Is it going to be just this 1,600 crores that they're bringing in, or is there anything else?
So Fairfax has made an open offer to acquire up to 26% as per SEBI guidelines, and I think this is subject to certain regulatory approvals. So it's an open offer which they will acquire from the secondary market.
Okay.
And if the offer is fully successful, then they will make an FDI investment of $250 million. And I think, so this deal is voluntary open offer for them. This has nothing to do with the company as such directly. And but at the same time, we value this relationship, and because a very globally renowned and respected investor, and that brings credibility to the company and company's business plan. And in fact, Fairfax has been associated with the company for the last few years because through their different funds, they have an investment in our company of a little less than 10%, around I think 9.9% or thereabout. And one of the representatives has been on our board for the last few years. If you would have seen the press that Mr. Premdatta has been very optimistic and very bullish on this, on India as well as this government. And he has been one of the most vocal admirer and supporter of present government and Mr. Modi's policies. And he has been very successful in raising $1 billion fund, and which is like a permanent capital or a very long-term money. So this investment, I think, will come from this new fund, which we raised early this year.
Okay. Nirmal, hi, morning. So post this open offer, how much will Fairfax hold and how much will the promoters hold?
So promoters have about 30% stake in the company, and we are not offering any shares in this open offer, so we'll continue to hold that much.
Okay.
Fairfax India will hold a maximum of 26% provided they get all the shares that they need for the full open offer. So that is how it will stand after the open offer is complete.
So if they don't get 26, do they still take what they get?
Well, I think, yeah, then still they have to take whatever they get, yes.
Okay, then what happens to that other FDI they are promising?
No, so I really don't know what their plans will be after that, but...
I thought you said that if they get this 26, they will bring in more FDI?
Well, if they get this 26%, that will result in an FDI of...
All right, okay. I thought there was something over it.
So the value of 26% will be close to 250 or maybe, around that much.
Okay, so at no point in time will Fairfax hold more stake than the promoters, right?
This Fairfax India is unlikely to hold more stake than the promoters.
Okay, and what was the reason, what really triggered Fairfax to make this open offer?
Well, as I said that earlier this year they raised $1 billion fund dedicated for India, and it's a long-term money. And if you see Fairfax and Mr. Premdatta's track record, they make chunky large investments. Very recently they acquired controlling stake in Thomas Cook also, through a different fund of course. So I think as I said, he's bullish on India and probably is also very positive on the financial sector. And within that sector, he knew us because he has been associated with the company for the last few years.
Okay, so will they get more board seats, and will they want a different business mix?
No, I don't think that they have any role to play in the management of the company, any active role.
Okay.
They can support with their knowledge, relationship and network, but and at this point in time, they haven't negotiated any additional board seats. So I think they have one board seat that will continue.
Okay, Nirmal, since we have you with us, what is the sense of making the markets made a dash towards 8,500? You think it's breaking the near-term resistance? Is there enough spunk to take it towards the 9,000 mark at all?
I think I would rather believe that markets should consolidate at these levels because people aren't expecting much from corporate earnings. If the earnings season is not great, then markets should better that it consolidates at these levels. So I think market will wait for cues from monsoon and also whether rate cut happens and how much and when, and also IIP and other numbers, macro numbers as and when they get released. Because inflation numbers haven't been very positive, food prices again, have been moving up. So I think we should look at all the cues and also how global investors, sentiment towards emerging market shapes up from here. So all these sectors will be critical for market growth. More than indices, I think more investors will now look at bottom-up opportunities, maybe mid-cap sectors. So that's what my guess would be.
Okay, just one clarification. You said if the open offer is successful, Fairfax will have a maximum of 26% stake, right?
Fairfax India, which is I think from where they make the open offer.
Okay. Okay, and at this point there is no plans to make Prem Vatsa say a co-promoter or anything?
No, absolutely not. So there is no plan to change promoters or cede any control to them at this time.
All right, Nirmal. Thanks for joining us and all the best. So that's the word coming in.
Yeah, I think that
Fairfax
you're right. It's not 36, it's 26.
Yeah.
Fair point.
All right. Well, let's get back to the markets, and in fact, we have just about a minute to go. So